Serge?
Huh?
Do you want your name to be Serge or like, you know, Jim McDide or like whatever name?
They're gonna leave an envelope for you, I guess, like as your payment. What would your name? What would you like your name?
What would my payment? What would my name be?
Yeah.
The Marquis.
The Marquis.
The Marquis.
Like the like
MARQUIS.
What's that?
This is so gone.
You don't have it? Okay, well then we need to use every bit. Excellent, that's the shot.
Ready?
So, no, is he ready to let him hit?
Oh,
let's
impact?
let's impact once and then fall.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Cool. That looked awesome. And let's go once more because we see him. And it'd be higher.
Impact again?
You want an impact?
Yeah, we'll start with impact. Guys, let him get as close to the camera as he can.
I'll just catch a little here.
Still rolling. Okay. So,
And 1, 2, 3.
nice pissed off patches.
And falling.
Oh.
Well, that's close to the camera.
Nice shot. And we got that.
And we don't own a camera either, it looks like. Okay, Buckethead, you are going to be scared of this thing. And right when it gets to the end, just dive out of the way. Alright, everybody ready? Let's try and roll this one.
Alright.
Everybody think they're ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody ready? Cue voices. Action! Do we want to try another one? Because it took us all night to set it up.
Sure.
Okay, everybody ready? Okay, cue voices. And action!
Oh my baby, hello darling, hello my ragtime girl. Baby, my heart's on fire. If you abuse me, baby, you lose me. I don't know the rest of the words.
Starbucks.